Well, as you can see, we've had him here about 16 hours, and even though he can't see, he's actually trying to stand up to eat, and that is a very, very good sign. Hi, little buddy. It's okay. His prognosis is better than we thought. And just the fact that he's eating is amazing. The fact that he's eating and keeping it down is amazing. He's a little messy when he eats because I don't think he's ever eaten before. I think he's only nursed off of Mom. Look at him trying to stand up. Hey, you. Hi, you. Spirit. Spirit. Oh. Oh. Such a cute buddy.